Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application on your PC, and once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to add friends within your account in order to play together, then at the bottom right corner, you will see the social panel expand button. Go ahead and click on it, and now click on add a friend. If you wish to add a new friend, you can use the battle.net battle tag or their email address in order to search for them. And you may also connect your Facebook account in order to find your Facebook friends. If you choose to connect your Facebook account, click on the continue button. And if you haven't logged into your Facebook already, you will be asked to log in using your credentials. After logging in, just click on the continue as button to allow access to your Facebook account for the battle.net app. After confirming your connection, your Facebook will now be connected and you can now find your Facebook friends and simply click on the add friend button in order to send a friend request. Once you send a friend request to any user, they will need to accept it from their notifications panel. After they accept your request, you will become friends with each other, and now you can start playing together on Hearthstone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends within your Hearthstone game account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.